Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to add a photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find and tap on the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on this info icon, and here we can tap on this camera icon in the circle. So let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can choose something from the built-in avatars. After tapping on it, it should appear right here. As you can see, you can set which one you want to. Just tap on this plus icon also, and here you will be able to find much more of them. Okay, that was obviously a misclick. So just let me tap on the cancel, and let's tap on it again. We've got also 2 different options. We've got the camera option, so after tapping on it, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, so you will be able to catch a photo. Or we can choose something from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Here we've got some permissions, so just tap on allow. And now from those albums, we have to pick the photo we would like to use. And as you can see from this tab, we can adjust the size of this square and the circle inside it. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just place it like you want to, just make the size you want to use. Okay, maybe something like that, and tap on done if you are ready. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our contact, so remember to tap on save here, it is very important. And as you can see, it is on our contact. After getting back, we can see it on our contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.